Hello everyone and welcome to another Claude tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to connect Vercel with Claude. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So all you have to do is to log into Claude, then you're going to go to Customize from the left-hand side, then you're going to click on Connectors, and here you're going to click the plus symbol, Browse Connectors, and here you are going to use the search bar to find Vercel. You are going to click here on Vercel, and all you have to do really is to click on Connect, top right hand side, log in to Vercel and connect Claude with Vercel. That's pretty much it. That's how you can link Claude with Vercel. Now, before you get started, it will be interesting to see under Tools what you are able to do with Claude and Vercel. So you can search Vercel documentation, you can get a list of your projects, you can retrieve your projects, list deployments, for example, and after linking Vercel with Claude, you can also ask Claude what else it can help you do with Vercel. So that's it, that's all for this video. Once again, you click on Customize, you go to Connectors, add a new connector, Browse Connectors, find Vercel, connect, and you are done. That's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day in any time zone. Bye everyone.